Riya's parents are worried about her safety when the school reopens. But offices are going to open up. So, how are they going to balance between going to office versus taking care of kids at home? Principal of No COVID International School is worried about what are the steps he needs to take to make the school environment safe for the kids. Multiple guidelines and regulations are confusing. He wants help. Healthy Campus is an unique service to guide educational institutions to reopen safely. It provides planning, cost estimation, operating guidelines, certification, documentation and expert guidance. Their service helps keeping the school campus safe from coronavirus. Healthy Campus guides schools to choose the required equipments, material and how to deploy them on day one. It provides apps and solutions to track and monitor the temperature of everyone coming to school. Their service also provides guidelines and standard operating procedure for schools. If a child is not well, then the child should be guided through the school infirmary. Along with that, health records should be maintained. Parents and all stakeholders should be informed. Healthy Campus provides safety certification after doing the required inspection by an epidemiologist. It conducts webinars for parents and school staff by field experts. Also provides health dashboard for school management for day-to-day monitoring. It also provides expert advice on need basis to keep the campus safe. Finally, parents and school principal are relieved from their worry. Now school can reopen safely. Here comes Healthy Campus by TraWello HealthyKID, one-stop consulting solution to help you reopen your school and institution. To know more, contact us at the given number or email ID. Thank you.